Well, this is a Sirius SV2 radio, and we use the external output, like the 1/8" stereo cord, to plug it into the input on the radio in the car, and all of a sudden it stopped working. So I took it apart. The jack seemed loose, and this here is the jack that plugs into the wire. It just broke right off the circuit board, and I was able to take the radio apart. There's two little screws and it just pops apart, and there's two screws that hold this circuit board into the radio itself. And what I'm going to try to do is there's four little contacts here. I'm going to try to heat them up with my soldering gun, or soldering iron rather, and I'm going to try to heat them up with the soldering iron and solder that thing back in, and we'll see how it goes. Well, I was able to get some solder in there. It's really tough to do. It's a very tight space, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and jack is pretty strong now. And we'll put this all back in the case, and we'll hook it up and see if it works. Now, to put it together, there's a screw here and there's a screw over here, and then you put the front on, and in the back there's two little screws in the back that hold it together, and the whole thing just kind of snaps together around the edge. So we'll give it a shot. Okay, I've got the case back together, the two screws in. The jack seems real nice and solid on the side here. I'll bring it out to the car and we'll test it. Well, I just plugged it into the car. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Yeah! How's that? Hell yeah! It works! Yeah, baby! So, that's how you fix a Sirius satellite radio where the output jack is going bad.